Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this Braun all-in-one trimmer. It is 11 in 1. So I'm going to zoom in the features. So it has a metal lifetime sharp blade, 100 minutes charge once you charge it. And then here are the accessories it comes with, and the best one that I really like about this is that it has a stand, a charging stand. So let's see here. There's the back of the case. So let's open it. So this trimmer comes with a case. It's a hard case. So it comes with this charging dock, charging station, which you will, I'm going to attach it right now so you can see. Can you please charge this? So we're going to try to charge the trimmer. It also comes with this Braun beard stencil, which is kind of funny. We've never used it before. So it's just like a special ruler to keep your beard even, I guess. Here's the instruction. There's a scanner and a scan code. There's the instruction. So this is the trimmer head. This is the length selector. So it doesn't come with those like accessories for different lengths. You could just dial it. So you could just put in the dial and choose the length that you want. Here's the on and off button, charging indicator. Green means it's charging, and red is the battery is running low. Charging socket, power supply, and then a charging stand. So let's see if there's any important information here. So I think I'm good. Let's open up the bag. The case. Oops, I jumped. So here's the charging stand, and I'm going to try to charge it right now. There you go. So it's not blinking, so it means it's fully charged. Oh, let me see. Okay, so if it's like if it's blinking green, it means it's charging. After it turns off, it means it's fully charged. So here are the accessories. So let's check out the accessories. So I really don't know the names of this. I'm just going to show it to you. There's this thing. And then there's another attachment. This one is more narrower. And then we have a brush, a cleaner for the, let me zoom it in so you can see better. Here's a brush. And then there's another attachment, which I'm not really sure what it's for, but that will come in handy. Another one, I think this one is for the nose trimmer. And then let's see if there's anything else. Check the pockets here. Okay, so what are these? Okay, so I think this is one of the angle guards or something. And I think we're on the last two accessories. And there's another guard. It says 1 to 5. And the last piece is this one, 5 to 1. So I'm not an expert on this. I'm just showing you what's inside it. So that's the trimmer. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.